if God labels himself to be something and mentions that in scripture, isn't it at least fair for you to look at that as well and make your own decision as to whether that's valid
assuming
or
the
not?
context that we are talking about is a context in which I agree on,
Well,
and it's not.
Yeah, but then your disposition is that all of those scriptures, despite looking at them or studying them or applying your logic and your reasoning to them and then coming to a logical conclusion based upon a reasoning, you would rather just shut them all away and say that they're false. I don't need them.
No. It's not shutting away and saying they're false. It's saying that as things have gone and as things look like they're going, and the vibes,
what does that mean?
And the vibes and the energy that I feel around people, I do not need to align myself with any particular medium to get God's message across.
But isn't it worthy that you at least look at the other argument and analyze it through reasoning and through intellect
my
and
vision is
understanding?
clear.